Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold fall 0.7% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil drop 0.4% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Traders are betting on further increases in the price of gold after it touched a 12-month high last week, as investors predict the US Federal Reserve's cycle of interest rate rises is over and seek safe havens during banking sector turmoil. Stress in the banking sector is being closely monitored for its potential to trigger a credit crunch, a US Federal Reserve policymaker said, as a European Central Bank official also flagged a possible tightening in lending. Swiss financial regulator FINMA said it was considering whether to take disciplinary action against Credit Suisse managers after Switzerland's second-largest bank had to be rescued last week by UBS.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 14:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Current Assessment will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's Coincident Index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Leading Economic Index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.